Good morning. I'm here at the Rosen Inn at Pointe Orlando, and I'm going to show you all of my favourite parts of this amazing budget-free hotel here on International Drive. But don't just take my word for it, let me show you what I mean. So staying at the Rosen Inn is really good, and by good I mean value for money, because it has so many different things, especially if you want to stay in the heart of Orlando, because it's right in between Universal, Disney and SeaWorld, all of the Orlando major theme parks. It's nestled right in the centre. This resort also has loads of other benefits, like a free shuttle bus to Universal, a gym, park, games room and so many other additional things. So here's the reception area, and then just here is Light Bites. So this is the 24-hour shop. So slushy machines, fountain drinks, all your toiletries and medicine if you need them while you're here. But I do strongly advise bringing like a medicine pack from home, or your American food. And then over here you have like the fridge section, all sandwiches, juices, milk, more ice cream, things like that, alcohol and fizzy drinks in this fridge, just some snacks. And then just in the reception area you also have the shop just here with all like Disney merchandise, t-shirts, hats, mugs over here, sunglasses, and a full Starbucks counter just here. So lots of different drink options actually for breakfast. So this room is big. It's got 2 queen beds just here, which honestly are some of the comfiest beds I've ever slept in. Like a chair, desk area, TV, safe, wardrobe, even an iron board. It's honestly such a good quality room. Does it look dated? Yes, but it's really cozy. And in Florida, you're never in the room anyway because you're always busy at the parks. So you also have a microwave and a fridge, extra towels, the bathroom area, so you have a bath. They provide all the toiletries for you, constantly new towels every day, as well as the sink just here as well. But honestly, an amazing, comfortable and ideal location. There's also a full laundry facility where you just have to get tokens with cash, and all the different products just here for you, as well as ice cold vending. So it has a children's play area just here, and then a games room over here with a pool table and some arcade machines. So the Rosen Inn also has 3 pools. This is the first one here just in front of reception. So this is the gym area just here. There are people in it at the moment, so I'm not going to take you in. But it's quite a small gym, but it's got weights, it's got a treadmill, all the things that you need. And it's just in between the 2 other pools over here, which are much quieter, whereas the main pool by the reception is a lot busier and normally full of children. So if you wanted a bit more of a relax, then it's just these 2 pools over here. So just bringing you to floor 10, and you can see how much of a view you have. You can see SeaWorld there. It's going to be a little bit harder, but you can see Epcot right there. That building there is the Contemporary, and then just at the top of my finger, that's Magic Kingdom. I can't make out what each thing is, but you get a rough idea of like Space Mountain and stuff. You can see the Disney Springs balloon just over there. But this side is probably my favourite. You can see Volcano Bay, Icon Park, and Epic Universe. There's Terra Luna, but I'm going to go a bit closer and show you Epic Universe from the Rosen Inn. But gonna head to the Universal Orlando Resort, and as the Rosen Inn is a Universal partner hotel, they offer a free shuttle bus. So I'm going to show you how to book onto that and how to get there and how easy it is, like where it drops you off, where it picks you up, that sort of thing. So you just have to head into the reception, and the Universal desk is on the left hand side. So I'm going to head there right now and get booked on to the 11:45 bus, which is the last one. Hi, can I book onto the 11:45 bus, please?
And how many in the party?
Just one. So just walk out the reception doors. Here it is now, and it's going to park where that coach is, just there. But yeah, here's the Universal bus just now. So if you did like this video, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell, and we'll see you in the next one. That's a wrap.